In the workbook, Computational Methods and Spatial Social Science in GIS, the first chapter introduced the basic GIS concepts and data manipulation tools with the case study. Mapping and Analyzing Population Density Pattern in Baton Rouge, Louisiana 2020. The case's study uses a simple model to answer the question: how is the population density pattern related to the urban structure in Baton Rouge? In the urban spatial structure models, there are three classic models: concentric, sector model, and polycentric model. It is always observed by a simple model: population density of the residential areas and their distance to the city center. An ideal monocentric model would have a declining trend pattern. We will use the following four data to investigate the pattern in Baton Rouge. First of all, we read the Louisiana county map and use the attribute query to extract the county of East Baton Rouge Parish, with the condition of name equal East Baton Rouge Parish. Then read the Louisiana tract map with population information. Use the boundary of East Baton Rouge Parish to extract the census tract units from the tract map. Then, apply projection and geometry calculations to get the area information to calculate population density. Then read another point map which represents the city center of Baton Rouge, generate a multiple ring buffer, then use intersect and dissolve to reaggregate the population density value to the ring buffers, which could be used for generating a chart showing the relationship between population density versus distance to the city center. Another East Baton Rouge map at the census block group level was also aggregated into the ring buffers to explore the difference in population density patterns by the various data source. The step-by-step procedures will be introduced in the following videos.